Probably one of the coolest cloud features I've seen quite some time here. It's actually rotating a little bit. Interesting. I don't know if you can see that right there. I'm right under it. But see the rain and hail starting to fall. You can see the streaks of small hail and rain. There's some more of it. Pretty cool. Oh, that was close. New tires. Well, I'm just about in Upshur County. Well, I'm in Buckhannon, and you can see the rain curtains in front of me. Crazy. What a storm. You see the wind blowing the rain sideways across the road. Get out of the rain. All right, now I'm in Upshur County, and man, is that wind really whipping. Wow. Wow. Trees are out. Still don't see any hail. Whoa. Oh, there's going to be some trees down from this. Dang. And I'm here in Upshur County, just outside of Buckhannon, and you can see we'd had some damage. Wind got hold of the carport, Shoved it almost down on the interstate on 33, and it took his trailer, which was set and back up in there, pushed it down here. But that thing's pretty big. And I just drove by here during that storm. I'm surprised it didn't go out on the interstate, but yeah, a little bit of damage. Takes some good winds to do that. I'll walk around here real quick. That got pushed down there pretty good, but there's a nice look at it. Almost on the interstate. Sure, there's probably other damage around. I just haven't seen it or heard it.